So let's talk food. Because you said, Tino, I'm training hard, but I don't really know what I'm supposed to eat to build muscle. By the way, that is super common and you're not alone. Loads of people train consistently, but they don't fuel their body properly. And if you're not eating enough of the right stuff, it doesn't matter how hard you train. Your body's not going to change. So let me keep this really simple. You don't grow your muscle in the gym. You grow it when you're recovering after your session. And your body can only recover and grow if it's been fed what it actually needs. So I want you to think of your body like a building site. Training is the work, but the food, that's the bricks, the wood, the materials. If the materials don't show up, there's nothing to build with. Are you with me? So, what should you actually eat then? What are the materials? Let's break it down by meals so it makes sense. For breakfast, focus on protein and energy. For example, eggs on toast, Greek yogurt with oats and berries, a protein shake with banana. Start your day with something that's going to give you that fuel, that's going to give you that boost, not just cereal or coffee. For lunch, keep it balanced. Chicken with rice and vegetables, tuna wrap with a side of fruit, or tofu stir fry with some noodles. You want to mix protein, carbs, and color your plate. For dinner is all about recovery focus, okay? So have some salmon with potatoes and broccoli, lean beef with some rice and avocado, lentils with sweet potato and greens. Keep it simple, okay? Build plates around protein, carbs, and some vegetables as well. As a bonus, and if you want to eat more, have a snack or extra meal to help you grow. For example, a protein shake and a banana works really well, peanut butter on toast, oats with Greek yogurt and honey. If your body's not changing, the truth is, and the chances are, you're just not eating enough. Most beginners undereat without actually even realizing. All right, they try to eat clean like salads and smoothies, and the truth is they're actually not gaining any calories. But if you're training hard, because I know you are, your body needs the fuel. And this is not about eating any types of food like junk food. This is about eating like someone who's actually building. So, two things to focus on for this week. Have protein with every single meal. Think about eggs, chicken, yogurt, salmon, tuna. Just make sure it's on your plate. Add one extra meal or snack every single day. That could be a shake, peanut butter toast, oats, anything in high energy that helps your body recover and grow. Does that make sense? Are you with me so far? Cool. So you remember, protein with every meal, one extra snack or meal a day, and remember, eat like someone that's building muscle, not just trying to survive or get through the day. You're training to grow, right? So now it's time to eat in the same way. Start here and we'll build it for next session. Okay? Are you happy? Does that make sense?